Hello everyone. Today we would see how to multiply 9 series by using Vedic mathematic method. Question is 84 into 99. How do you solve this using Vedic math method? Usually using conventional method it takes longer time, but using Vedic math method it would reduce the time in solving this question. You can also try with a conventional method and see. Now I would teach you the Vedic math method. Here the multiplicand and multiplier should be of same digits. Now we would consider this 84 here and we would subtract 1 from 84. 84 minus 1 would be 83 and we would consider this answer here 83 and we would subtract these digits by 9 since it is 9 series multiplication. So now 9 minus 8 is equals to 1 and 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Now for a complete answer we would combine these things. Now the answer would be 8, 3, 1, 6. So this is how we would use a Vedic math method to solve the 9 series. And we would solve one more question with the increased digits, that is 368. 368 into 999. So we have increased the digits here and we would follow the same method. So just we would consider this number here and we would subtract 1 from that. That is 368 minus 1. Our answer would be 367. Now using this answer we would subtract each digit by 9. The first one is 9 minus 3, so which is equals to 6. The second one is 9 minus 6, which would be equal to 3. And the last digit is 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2. Now to write an answer we would combine all these things. So that would be 3, 6, 7, 6, 3, 2. So this would be our answer for the problem 368 into 999. I think everyone understood this trick. I have two questions for you to solve. So just consider 72 into 99. Use Vedic math method and let me know the answer in the comments. And also 689 into 999. Just comment me the answer in the comment box. And thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Vedic math methods.